Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace and this is Candy's Love Nest, and today I'm doing a clean with me in my kitchen, so come along. I'm going to start by emptying my dishwasher. I try to load it every night before bed, but sometimes that doesn't happen. I've been really busy lately and I tend to fall behind on the housework, especially when I'm creating content. So a clean with me definitely kills two birds with one stone. Now that I've put everything away, it's time to reload the dishwasher. The sink was super gross, so now I'm rinsing it and washing it with soap and water, along with the wash tub, so I can start some dishwater to wash the remaining dishes that didn't fit in the dishwasher. I'm washing the empty side of the sink once again to put all the wash dishes to be rinsed all at once. This way I can keep the faucet off and save water. Now I'm putting all my appliances away that were left out on the counter. Here I am picking up things off the floor and putting them where they belong. This corner of my kitchen always gets super cluttered with bread, so I'm throwing away the expired bread, but in the future I'm thinking of getting a bread box so that things are a little more uniformed in the future. I'm going to use this all-purpose cleaner to clean the counter before putting everything back. Here you see me shaking and cleaning the crumbs from my toaster. My family eats a lot of toast, so my toaster is always super gross. Now it's time to clean the rest of the counter. This jar had overnight oats in it, so it's soaking until I'm ready to clean it. I'm going to wipe down and under the things on the counter before putting my toaster back. Now here I am wiping my stove down, making sure to get the kettle, underneath the kettle, and the knobs. I normally pop the knobs off, but this time I didn't think I needed to, so I just wiped around them. And yes, I am knocking food on the floor because I intend to sweep later. If you hear commotion, that's my puppy in the background as I'm doing this voiceover. But here I'm drying and putting away all the dishes in my dish rack. I'm preparing to clean my sink and the surrounding counters. This is another corner that gets cluttered, so it does need a system. This is where I keep all my teas and vitamins and supplements. So I'm just putting things away, spraying the counters and wiping them, and rearranging everything to look better. So here I'm about to clean my sink in detail, spraying everything with all-purpose cleaner, making sure to wipe down every nook and crevice and even the wall because things can get really gross. I don't know what it's called, but I like to thoroughly wash my sink sprayer. This is a hand soap that I got from White Barn. It smells so good. This is a side note. I know that you guys see me cleaning around this wash tub, but I just want to say that I did clean up underneath it and the sink in the beginning of this video. I just don't want to empty the water because after filming this video, I'm going to make dinner. So I want to keep it filled so I can wash dishes afterwards. So this is the finished result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and got motivated to clean. If you want to see more Clean With Me videos, be sure to follow my channel. Once again, I'm Candace and this is Candy's Love Nest, a channel about homemaking, fashion, and anything that I'd like to share with you. Keep in touch with me through social media, and I'll see you later.